What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike and this is my kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing some delicious creamy garlic mussels with some nice creamy sauce as well. We're going to start off. I got some local West Coast sourced mussels all the way from South African coasts. Just going to go ahead, get these guys out of the packet and into some nice boily salty water. Get them boiling for about 3 to 4 minutes. It'll cook them all the way through. Into the water I added some lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons, and I added about a tablespoon of salt. Moving on from there, we're going to get a nice hot cast iron pan, get some about 4 tablespoons of olive oil going. We're going to use this to actually start with the cream sauce. We're going to start off by taking 1 cup of about 400 grams of double cream. After that, we're just going to give it a gentle stir and add 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour. You could use normal flour. I just prefer to use self-raising flour just to make the sauce a bit thicker. Moving on from that, we're going to be adding some Creme Fraiche, approximately 1 tub of that. Just going to go ahead, add the whole entire cup. Mixing it through all the way. Getting it to mix nice with the flour inside there. We're going to add some coarse black pepper and ground salt. We're also going to be using some aromatic seasoning. Whether it's spice for fish or anything you can find in your local supermarket that has some nice zesty fish spice inside. We don't want to add any type of lemon juice to it at the moment, as it would actually make the cream go grainy. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of Gouda cheese. 1 cup should suffice. It makes enough mussels for about 3 people. If you're like us, we do like a little bit larger size, as we don't serve it with any rice or anything. So we're just going to go ahead now and mix in the cheese. Get it nice and stringy. Just make sure to mix in the cheese properly. You don't want it to make little balls of raw Gouda inside the sauce. It gives you want a nice smooth runny consistency, and there you can see when you pull it up it must be nice and stringy, similar to what you see on a hot pizza. From here on out, we're just going to give it a thorough mix through, and then we're going to start adding our blanched mussels. We're going to give it a nice stir all the way through, make sure all the mussels are nicely coated to allow all that delicious flavor just to enter the meat of the mussels. And to ensure, we want to do this pretty quickly so the mussels don't become overcooked. And there you can see our delicious mixture with the mussels, the cream, all the oils, everything. We left it to simmer for about 2 minutes just to let all the oils rise to the surface, and you can smell the delicious flavor while you're cooking it. And now for our side, we're just going to be preparing a delicious ciabatta bread. Cut some lines on the top and stuff it with some nicely prepared garlic butter. And there we go, that's our finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quick one. If you guys liked the video, please don't forget to drop a comment, like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon too if you'd like to receive notifications on our new posts.
Hold up.